Hi guys, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. So I did something bad. I went to Hobby Lobby. I was watching videos while on vacation, and the first thing I did, well, after I did all the house stuff, I took myself to do a little retail therapy, and I took my butt to Hobby Lobby. Yay! Of course I did find some clearance buys, and I thought I'd come on and share what I purchased. So when I did go, I noticed that the felt was 50% off, and I don't really have orange in my stash, so I just bought up two colors. I got the lighter orange and the darker orange. I like felt for Halloween. It's a nice texture to have, so I purchased that. And then, let's see, I have random stuff all over. I'm just gonna pull them out of the bag as I go. I did buy some of the dies. I purchased this Tim Holtz Thinlits, and they're an alphabet set. Just figured you can't go wrong. This is, I believe, called the Shadow Alphanumeric Shadow Upper. So it does come with all of the letters, and I'm not sure what this means. Do they come with the shadows as well? Let me just open this and see. And it was it's a fairly good price, $4.99 compared to $19.99. And I do love Tim Holtz dies. I just want to see if they come with layering pieces, because that would be awesome. I can't tell if there's another arm. Oh, so I guess you could paper piece this. I'm not sure. I believe there's only one of each letter, but they do come like this kind of block style, and then there's another cut on the outside. So I guess you can layer them, which is kind of interesting, and a great little textured thing that you can do. It's a little bit different. I'm gonna push this to the side because there's a lot here. Really call it retail therapy for a reason. Bought this little bicycle set. I think I saw Armin do a project with these adorable bicycles, and I was like, oh my god, it's on sale. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna create it again. And I thought it was a great deal, from $12.99 to $3.24. Not bad. I am a sucker for Tim Holtz and butterflies, so this was $4.99. I needed it, so I bought it. Here you go. And then let's see what else I have in this box of goodies. I think that's it for the dies. Yep, that's it for the dies. I didn't go too crazy. I already have stuff I haven't played with. I did, but oh no, I lied. I have one more. I bought this one. This one was cute. I love the little strips of the butterfly and I'm not sure if this is it. Oh no, it's a leaf and flower set. I thought this was a fun little, kind of like a layering piece. Again, $3.24, not a bad deal. I did pick up some Prima flowers. I didn't go too crazy. There wasn't a lot, and I just did a huge haul from Little Birdie, so I was like, I have enough flowers. These are so cute. And then these I thought I could use for Halloween with the papers, the old papers with the gold touches, this black one for sure. And I kind of love the rose to this, so yep, got that. I got this a little acrylic layered word set. There was another silver one, I believe. I didn't get that one, or did I? Nope, didn't get it. So I just got the gold one. Again, trying to find some restraint, but you know, keeping it classy. I did get some enamel dots because I wanted some Halloween-esque dots, and these were perfect. I could see these coming out from a witch's cauldron, and if you haven't seen my AliExpress haul, I bought a fun witch's cauldron, and I thought these would make the perfect bubbles. I also got these, again, very Halloween-esque. I love the dark colors. That would be perfect for Halloween. I also got these alpha beads because they are black and they scream perfect little word for Halloween, and these were 50% off. So were the Paper Studio, again, 50% off. I did go yesterday. I'm sure it's going to be a different one for this week. I did buy some Christmas stuff as well. These were 40% off. These are little mini trucks, and they are super heavy. And I thought I could use them for a little shadow box. And these were 40% off, $3.99. This was $2.99. I've never seen those before. Those are new. So I was really excited to buy those. I also got these on clearance. These were $124, and these are screw fasteners. These are just little pulls. I mean, I can get these for Ali too, but I don't know. I like them. They're different colors. They're silver, gold, and bronze. So I like the little option of them. I also saw these Paper Studio charms, which I was really excited about. These were 50% off, and they're really heavy. I love the sparkle in them. So nice. I also went by the bead aisles, and these were 50% off. So they're $3.99, and if you can guess from these colors what I have in mind, I mean, it screams. Like, these orders, just come on. Yes, these are gonna be candy corn. I thought these were fun. I don't know. I have a project kind of in my mind. I just have to execute it. So hopefully that worked out. These are the jewelry shop, and I saw Jen Strawberry Cream 39 had hauled these, and I wanted them. So these were 50% off. You know, it's just, you can't get enough of multicolored anything. It's just nice to have an option. I also picked up these sequins because, again, my mind is in Halloween zone. Isn't that funny how you are, like, when you have something on your mind, you just kind of haul for it? So I got these all different sizes. These were not on sale. I paid $1.99 for these, but I just needed them. I also picked up orange diamond dots because I didn't want to wait for like a huge Joann sale and buy like 5. I thought these were a nice, fun bunch to use. I can't wait to use that. I also bought some orange acrylic paint because I needed it. And then these buttons were also 74 cents, and they're so cute. And they're buttons, so I thought I could use them. Find some use for them. I also got this Xyron. I am out of this, and I didn't want to buy it on Amazon. I just bought it while I was there. $7.49. I'm probably sure I can get a better deal, but I just bought them. And then I also saw Jen haul these, and these were in the Christmas section. They're $3.99, and they, like she said, remind you of charms because they have the loop up top, and you get this many, and I love peppermints. So I thought these were fun and perfect for the upcoming Christmas crafting season. And that is it for my little Hobby Lobby kind of haul, and that is it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.